to our demonstration of Travelly, a revolutionary travel app where travelers show each other all the hidden and great spots. So let's start off by creating an account. So what we can do here, and for future we will have sign up by Google and other methods as well, but for now just be a username, email, and password. We can do something like DannyUser@gmail.com. We can enter a username here. Let's just say Danny Demo, and we can enter a password, which we will just make something very simple like 1234556. And we will go ahead and create our account. And as you can see, we are now inside of the Travelly app. So starting off, let's start with the profile page. So as you can see here, we have a simple profile page set up here where we can edit our name. We can change this to something like this. We can add a bio. This is a demo account, and we can add our current location, which would be Oshawa at the time of filming. Can save these changes, and these will actually push to Firebase. So this can be visible in the Firebase console that we have. The next thing I would like to show is the flagship feature here, which we have, which is our maps feature. Now we've implemented this with a mix of Firebase and Thunder Forest. So we've got different pins. So the idea is different people, different users from all across the world can point out different places on the map where restaurants, events, really anything that would enhance one's travel experience when exploring or discovering a new place. So here we've got some sample pins. This is a restaurant I really like going to. It's called Rayhan Kebab, so I've just listed it as best Iranian Persian food in Canada. And as you can see here, we have comments. We can even submit ratings as well. Oh, I don't want to give that 2 stars. I love this place. And then we have other things as well. This is a spa. This is a mall, and we can even add a comment. We could say nice mall, for example. And this is visible to anyone created by any account. We have grouping as well, which allows us to, if two pins are very close together, we can show them separately when a user clicks on it, just to not crowd the space. Additionally, we can, for example, here I will go ahead and create one, and we have two ways of doing it. We can enter in an address and convert that to coordinates, or we can use our current location. This is being run off an emulator, which has fixed its location to the Google head office. So instead of doing that, I will enter an address here. Let me just get the clipboard out, paste this right here, and just like magic, we'll say convert. This will convert to this, and this is Cactus Club downtown. It's a very high-end cafe. Just like that, we can save the pin. And here we've got 3 pins in Toronto, all very, very close to each other. So this is the CN Tower, and Cactus Club should be right here. And of course, we can add comments, ratings, all of that fun stuff. We can also search by city as well by clicking this icon here if we want to move around the map. So we can say, for example, Montreal and Canada, and this will shift our focus to Montreal, which does. And we've got one pin here, just as an example. This is McGill University. Moving on, we've got a calendar page. So this is kind of a personal planner, but it has additional features. So let's say tomorrow we can add an event. And this can be really anything. It's more for personal, it's more for yourself. However, we have the option to make this a public event. So let's say we say test event, we'll set a time, we'll say 3:33 p.m. tomorrow. That's all right, fine by me. And we can add a location, which is optional, and we're gonna say OTU. This is the university we go to, Ontario Tech University, and I'm gonna publish this as a public event. meaning when we go to this home page over here, as you can see, it shows up. So this is available now to everyone on the map. We are looking to advance this in a way to make this potentially a paid feature where businesses can promote events. But for now, this is what we have. We've also got a budgeting tool which allows you to have a budget and add your expenses. And by the way, all of this, all your calendar, all your budget, all your pins, all your profile, this is all saved in Firebase. It's all in the cloud. It's the only thing that is local to your device is the start mode. So if you have multiple accounts, this will then apply across accounts, which is something that is really cool. Yes, so back to the budget. We have a very nice graphic here, which I will show you when we update our budget. We will say $1,000, and we'll put our start date as tomorrow, and we will end our trip. We'll come back on, let's say, Tuesday. We'll save these changes. So we've got $1,000 budget here. Let's add an expense. Let's just say something simple like bus. Maybe we're going to Montreal. Bus costs maybe 150. And as you can see, we've got a remaining of 85%. So this is the app right now. We've got a lot of great ideas on how to advance this, how we're planning on launching this, and how to scale this app up. And we hope you enjoyed our demo. This is our initial demo of what we have so far. And yeah, if you have any feedback, any features, any ideas, please feel free to comment down below. We're always open to taking feedback and new ideas as this app is still in its very early stages, and we would love to hear from you guys. Okay, this is Danny signing off.